Good morning, Mr. Thomas. We've been assessing your mother, Mrs. Eleanor, and considering strategies to help her maintain independence at home. She's expressed some difficulty with tasks like preparing meals and dressing, particularly since her recent fall. We're looking at a few options, including adaptive equipment for the kitchen, perhaps a perching stool, and some long-handled utensils. For dressing, we might suggest button hooks and sockets.
That all sounds helpful. She has mentioned struggling a bit more in the kitchen lately, and getting dressed seems to take her a long time. She's always been very self-sufficient, so Mihira, this is quite frustrating for her. She's also become a little unsteady on her feet, even indoors, which is why the fall was so concerning.
Yes, the reduced balance can certainly impact confidence with everyday activities. While the adaptive equipment aims to make specific tasks easier, we also need to address the underlying issue contributing to her difficulties. The reduced range of movement in her shoulders and hips, likely a consequence of some mild arthritis and deconditioning following a period of reduced activity after the fall, makes reaching for items in the kitchen and maneuvering during dressing quite challenging. The equipment will compensate for some of this, but improving her physical capacity is also key to long-term independence.
So, the equipment is more of a short-term aid while we work on improving her strength and movement.
Precisely. The adaptive aids provide immediate support, allowing her to participate more safely and independently now, while a tailored exercise program focusing on strengthening key muscle groups and improving her range of motion will address the root causes, making these tasks difficult.
Mihira, I know that experiencing changes in your hearing can feel overwhelming or frustrating at times, but please know that you are not alone, and there are many wonderful ways to manage this comfortably. Taking care of your hearing is a beautiful way to stay connected to the people and conversations you love. A great first step is to protect your ears by avoiding very loud environments or wearing gentle protection if you do find yourself in a noisy place. When you are at home or out with family, face-to-face conversations in well-lit, quiet spaces can make listening feel much easier and more relaxed. To give you the best support, it is a wonderful idea to make an appointment with your doctor for a comprehensive hearing test. This simple checkup is completely painless and helps rule out any underlying causes, such as a simple buildup of earwax. Your doctor can also guide you through options like modern hearing aids, which are incredibly discreet and effective at bringing back the clarity of daily sounds. Regular ear checkups will ensure your ears stay healthy and your hearing plan adapts perfectly to your life. You deserve to hear every beautiful moment clearly, Mihira.